Hi students, welcome to third week. We are in the third session of this course. Today we are going to talk about clarifying. Well, in a situation or even like lecturing, some students may understand what a lecturer explains and some may not. So they need to ask clarifications. The others may agree or disagree what the lecturer explained when some give their opinions. And some may interrupt to ask questions or to give their opinions. This initiation, we hope you are able to identify two expressions of asking for clarifications and clarifying, agreeing or disagreeing, others' opinions, asking and giving opinions, and interrupting a speech. So let's practice listening to the matters.